Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today, here I have a new alphabet for you. Today, we will learn about alphabet P. Let's start. This is capital P. This is small p. P says p. Once again, capital P, small p. P says p. And now I will start a story related to alphabet P. Once upon a time, there was a pirate named Peter. P says pirate. P says Peter. He had a pet parrot named Peggy. P says Papa pet. P says Papa parrot. P says Papa Peggy. One day, Peter parked his parrot ship in a big palace that was purple and pink. P says Papa Peter. P says Papa parked. P says Papa pirate ship. P says Papa palace. P says Papa purple. P says Papa pink. Peter and Peggy were visiting their friend Princess Penelope in the palace. P says Papa Peter. P says Papa Peggy. P says Papa Princess. P says Papa Penelope. P says Papa Palace. Princess Penelope thought Peggy parrot was the perfect pet. Penelope said, I love your parrot. I wish I had my own pet. P says Papa Princess. Penelope. P says Papa Peggy parrot. P says Papa perfect pet. P says Papa Penelope. And then Peter and Pirate said bye. I have to go back to my pirate ship. The pirate had a plan. P says Papa plan. So that night Peter took his pirate ship and set out to find the perfect pet for Penelope. The Peter and pirate goes on a long journey. When he returned to the palace, he presented her with her very own pet penguin. P says Papa palace. P says Papa presented. P says Papa penguin. Penelope said, thank you so much for my pet penguin. I am going to name him Perry. P says Papa penguin. P says Papa Perry. The pirate was so proud that the princess was happy. P says Papa proud. Penelope was so pleased that she gave Peter and Peggy presents and invited them to stay for a party. P says Papa Peggy. P says Papa presents. P says Papa party. And now this is recall time. P says Papa pirate. P says Papa parrot. P says Papa princess. P says purple penguin. P says purple presents. Thank you, children. After completing the introduction of alphabet P, we will do the coloring in our notebook. So here we have capital P and small p. I am going to make the border for capital P, and for the coloring I will select my purple color. Come on children, you also start. I am going to make the border. P says purple pizza. P says purple pasta. P says purple powder. P says purple pickle. P says purple pigeon. P says purple pattern. P says purple patna. P says purple potato. P says purple purse. P says purple planet. P says purple peahen. See, my border is complete and now I will fill the color inside. I will use my up and down formation for the coloring. P says purple perfect. Yes, so we will do our perfect coloring in capital P. P says purple pet. Now here I will use my left and right formation for the coloring. P says purple potato. P says purple penguin. P says purple Penelope. P says purple prince. P says purple puppy. Now our capital P's coloring is done. Now here I will change my color and I will take my pink color for the coloring. P says purple pink. This is our small p. I am making the border. Are you doing, children? Very good. Yes. And now I will make the border inside because we will not fill the color in this oval. Okay, now we will fill the color in our small p and we will revise all the objects' name related to alphabet P. Yes, P says purple P. P says purple peanut. Do you like peanut butter? P says purple pizza. P says purple papaya. P says purple plum. P says purple penguin. And our coloring is done. Children, once we will complete our coloring in our notebook, after that we will do fingerprint in our capital P in a spiral book and coloring in a small p. And then after that we will do the coloring in our P says Purple Parrot. So our activity will be done in our spiral book. For the notebook activity, we will do potato print with brown color, and then we will make some small sleeping and slanting lines for potato's eye. So this is our P says Purple Potato, and our notebook activity is done. Children, once we will complete our activity in spiral book and notebook, then we will come on our workbook and we will complete our exercise in our workbook. So here we have two colors P, red color and green color. We will select our crayon according to these colors and we will make the circle on it, like red color circle on red color P and green color circle on green color P. Once we will complete this question, here we have the picture of penguin. We will fill the color in the penguin. So for penguin we will use our black color. In the next question, again we have three pictures related to alphabet P. Parrot, P says Purple Potato, P says Purple P. So here we will find out P in these spellings and we will make the circle on P. In next question, we have three pictures again and we have to find out which picture is related to alphabet P. See, the first picture is P says Purple Plant. So here I make the right tick for this. But the next picture is it P says Purple? No, it is M says Mama Mango. So we will not make anything in this box. Now again here we have J says Jug. So do we make the right tick in this? No, because this picture is not related to our alphabet P. Okay, now in the last, here we have a puzzle. In this puzzle we have different P and different alphabets. So we will find out our alphabet P and we will color it. Once we will complete this exercise, our learning of alphabet P is done. Thank you children. Bye-bye.